Okay, today we will be cooking cabbage poriyal. So for that, I've heated up the oil, put in mustard seeds, and once it's broken, I put in onion and chili and just saute it for a while. Okay, now we're gonna add red chili and just stir it for a while. Okay, now we will add in the cabbage and stir. Okay, now we will add salt as per required. Okay, now we will add turmeric and stir. Okay, now we will add in carrot. Stir it. Peas. Now we will add in peas, green peas, the whole can, and then just stir. Okay, now we will add in a little bit of milk for taste. Just a little bit. Okay, just like that, cabbage poriyal is done. Now we can serve it. See this.